Yan o, sabi ni Mrs. Kinamit, wa.
Yung mga project niya, ha? Alam ko, ha? Ang natatandaan ko lang siya. The thing that you did today will never be forgotten because you were the first who invited us. You made our day today extra special.
Mrs. Peña Rubia.
You are identified as Kulas.
Pero Dr. Nard, baka naman, ikaw ang pinakilala nila. Pleasant afternoon, evening to everyone here, and welcome to Darius Index San Fernando. Pero yung the rest, familiar faces na.
Kasi hindi sa dahil sa matanda na kami. Kami totoo yung matanda na kami. Kaya lang, you've changed a lot. Physically, Diyos ko, kung alam mo lang, ang kamasang everyone, pagpasok ko dito, my realization was, matuwa na kami talaga. Kasi ikit na kayo, matuwa na kayo naman. So, si Marla, remember Marla? Oh.
Thank you very much for giving us the opportunity na to be with you kasi madalang lang ito. Madalang lang nag-invite tayo. Okay, madalang lang. Sinalik ka tayo, parang pag bigla-bigla lang nag-high school, hindi naman nag-high school.
Masaya din ako, masaya kayo. Hindi nagkakaroon ka. Hindi kayo naiiyan.
Kaya kayo, no, ang gaganda ninyo, nag-iba na yung mga mukha ninyo. Ito yung original. Ikaw namukha ka. Hindi po, sa akin po sila nangopya.
This event is for you to remember and it will be my point and to my cherish forever. Kasi ito nga yung first encounter namin with you, batch 98.
Sa totoo lang, you were my first batch when I taught at St. Scholastic. I will never forget that year because that was also the year when I celebrated my 21st birthday. Smile. O, papupusin natin. Prepare pa naman ako ng speech. Tama na. Ang oras ba to? Akala ko kayong nag-order. Kinubo mo na?
If I have to describe this gathering, it will be, to me, it's a celebration of first. Kasi yung batch nyo, yun yung first time ko na nagka-baby. Kaya na-imagine nyo dati, 24 lang waistline ko, no? Di ba? Parang kayo natin. Tapos, first time din na na-invite kami. So, thank you sa inyo. And then, masasabi kong tagumpay ang araw na ito.
At ako na may nabigla, kaagad, nagpadala siya ng invitation. Ay, as in ngayong March na.
Para magkakaedad lang tayo, no?
Yung basic foundation ninyo, you got them from us. And I hope that will be the sisterhood and brotherhood that will be developed. And the start of that is tonight. And thank you for...
Canada, itong araw na ito hindi natin makakalimutan kasi nagkaroon tayo ng gathering. Masaya ako ngayon kasi ingit na kayo nga. Saka pong salamat, salamat kayo. Yamiya ka rin kami. Makasaya talaga kasi when I saw you all look good. Talaga ngayon may momentos ng tinga mo, may halago, pero feeling ko, masamting hindi. And we're happy for you. Ay kayo, pinanganda kayo, scholastica kayo, wow, Benito. Remember si Benito, di ba? Alin na kayo mo kulaso. Kasi na kulasa na. But you are Benito. Dapat mo salamat.
Ang ano ko lang, sana yung mga natutunan ninyo, natutunan ninyo sa amin, natutunan yung mga benefits and values, sana hanggang ngayon ay dala-dala ninyo. Maraming salamat.
Bago kaya kay Maynard, last one, I think you were still the president, last president. Tama ba? O hindi siya? So kasi sa kanya, kay Inex, siya yata yung pinaka-pogi sa klase ko.
Minsan, hindi nyo maalala yung names, pero yung mukha alam nyo. So, hindi na po kami magpapakilala dahil hindi nyo na rin ako matatandaan. Pero Doc Maynard, baka naman, ikaw ang pinakakilala nila. Kain na po tayo, but before that, let's, of course, ano ba yung natutunan natin before eating, prayer before meals, and that will be led by the one and only religion teacher, Miss Parang.
That's an old trend. Kung ano parati natin sinasabi natin, let us remember that we are in the holy presence of God. That in all things, God may be glorified.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good and that I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting. Baby, it's breaking my heart. How could I know? If you don't need me, just let me know when I go.
Kompleto na po ba? Magtaas lahat! Magtaas po ang mga package ninyo. Mga package nyo. Thank you po. May sunshine super. Alam mo kayo, Shin. Green.
So damn easily.
Why? Open.
Welcome to the SSA Grade School Batch 1998 reunion. Today, we get to go back to the good old days when there were no phones or gadgets. Together with our dear teachers, let's remember the times when simple film cameras captured our smiles.
I just wanted to say thank you to our batchmates and to our teachers.
And to help here. I have never felt this nervous in my life, to be honest. But it just feels surreal. To say that it's been 28 years since we're all shared together is really close to my heart. And those are not just memories, basically. For me, those are the building blocks.
My name is Misty Alcantara. To my dear grade school teachers, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for showing up every day, even when you were tired or when it probably felt like it went unnoticed.
Someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world aside, just for a while, some way we will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. Wait for us to
Vice Chairman, and Muslim. O, diba yung ayan, to invite you sa aming legacy run. Come on.
So, magandang gabi po sa lahat, sa mga teachers po natin. Ako po si Shelly, as mentioned po ng aming host. At welcome batchmates sa inyong first time natin na magkasama-sama ngayong gabi. After how many decades, right? So, po-promote namin din yung aming project. As you all know, we are the incoming host for the Homecoming 2027. And one of our project would be SSA Legacy Run. It will happen on July 19, 2026. Mrs. Karen Manansala ko. Yes. One of our sponsors, guys. Okay. Ito po. Siya po yun. So, ito po. Most of our events are dito po ginagawa sa Jerry's Grill Invest. So, sila po yun. And Nathaniel's. One of our sponsors po dun sa mga loot bags is Gata. So, yun lang. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening with everyone. No?
Again, we're acknowledging Jerry's Invex San Fernando for our venue tonight and for the food, of course.
Yeah, you got me thinking, oh, you got me thinking out loud. You kept me waiting for the next time around. My heart is beating faster than
For our heart overflows seeing you all today. Masaya ang puso namin.
Always remember this, guys. Your success is our fulfillment.
come a little closer. When you got what you need, when you hurt, you still bleed. Well, it's time that you come down. Without love, when you're down on your luck, you can make it. Without love, we all fall hard. Oh, you got me spinning.
about love.